Keep the camera steady. Tennis Ball Wars 09. He's got a visual on Ludwig, sucking up. There's Ludwig. Oh. That's
She's pretty intense, I have to say. What the hell is the point of it? I want to see someone get hurt. Stop.
Sprite.
Coke is better.
Good drink.
Coke.
Sprite all the way.
Coke. I gave him that Sprite. Oh! Looks like it hurt.
Wait, Sprite sucks. What am I doing with this thing? It's a gas soda. Yo, cameraman. Wanna finish off Sprite? Oh! And this is the raid.
Are you zooming in on this? Okay.
Oh, what the fuck is that?
Let's go, come on. What is our profession?
Gay much? Is that gay much? I think it is. Oh, that was a fail. That was a fail, that last one right there. Oh, it's a water bottle.
Jesus Christ. This is madness out here.
And it falls. We are Jewish.
Stop.
The subbies are planning something. The subbies are the ones on the left.
Oh,
Yeah!
Oh! Yo, get my soda!
Oh! It was uncalled for.
Shit!
I got everything.
Oh my God.
Let's go kill him!
They're planning to kill us and the subbies. You bitch!
Let's go.
You little whore!
Uh-oh. Get Moscow. Get Moscow. Get Moscow. Moscow, hit it at the CRT.